Born to Win by Muriel James and Dorothy was written in 1971. Enlarge your understanding of success to include self-knowledge and greater connection to others. You have everything in you that you need to succeed. The book not only provides valuable insight into why we do what we do, but add depth to the success literature in the fine distinctions on what makes winner. Transaction analysis is based on the idea that everyone has three ego states that produce different types of behavior: the parent, the adult, and child. In the parent state, you feel a need to be critical. In the child state, you are impulsive, excited, or act helpless. In the adult state, you are responsible, fully aware, and rational. The healthy person, the winner, will be willing to express more aspects of themselves at the appropriate time. Together, transactional analysis helps a person live fully aware in the present and be responsible for their own life. While this may sound rather like self-help, it is difficult to imagine how you might be considered a success if you have not achieved these things. The author discusses life scripts, the plans you consciously or unconsciously have for how you are going to live your life. Life is often like a play, and humans will adopt role based on what they have been told about themselves by their family or culture. We begin life, Pearl said, as slaves to our parents, but some people remain so all their life. Whether we like it or not, we are given a story to act out that may or may not suit us, and the mature human being will free the need at some point to shake off their script like a skin and write their own story. There are individuals who either live in the past or the future, and because they never bother to crystallize their aim, do not make very good use of their time. Losers are repeaters, repeating not only their own mistakes but often those of their families and culture as well. Winning people look, listen, and learn, and are able to summon the courage to change when necessary. So, what is success? Success may conventionally be thought of as the ability to manipulate other people and events. Napoleon, for instance, said, "Circumstances? What are circumstances? I make circumstances." The question is whether you want to have this kind of success or the sort that Abraham Maslow described as self-actualized, that is, the kind expressed by people who achieve things in the world but are also very comfortable with themselves, who have a capacity to give and contribute